Good evening, fellow programmers. Welcome to a new C# lesson. In this video, we will talk about special characters, also known as characters that cannot be represented directly inside a string. As you already know from previous lessons, a string variable contains text, and a way we declare it is by typing the text between an opening and a closing double quotation mark. So, in the light of this information, what happens if you have a text that already contains a quotation mark as part of the text? Let's see what happens. So, as you can see, we are immediately warned by the compiler about semicolon character expected, new line in constant and other errors, like that. Obviously, the reason for the errors is the fact that the compiler considers the double quotation character inside our string as the closing quotation sign of the string itself, so all the text that follows is not part of the string anymore. Aside of that, as we know already from the lesson about declaration and initialization of variables, the compiler expects the semicolon character at the end of the assignment statement, and instead it finds some gibberish text it does not understand. This is where escape sequences come handy. Aside from the double quotation mark, there are a few other characters that cannot be represented directly inside the string. Here they are. We can test them, for example, by trying to break our text in a new line. Obviously, just writing the text on a new line inside Visual Studio will not work. Inside, we use the new line escape sequence, and the result will be the one expected. We can even use Unicode character codes to specify a ton of other characters. For instance, if we want to display the omega character, we only need to find its Unicode character code and use it inside this escape sequence. In the next lesson, we will have a look at the operators we can use with our variables and their precedence. Until then, happy coding!